At Juice Factory, we're all artists, and design is in the core of our thinking and creative process. You see, we spent a lot of time in crafting something that is revolutionary in its design and works just as great. Today, we're introducing Clicker.
Clicker is a mini robot for your iPhone 6, 6S, and Samsung S6 that fits right in your pocket. It is an extremely advanced modular case which will have a lasting impact on how people capture, organize, and share their moments. The ultimate integration of hardware and software makes Clicker smarter than your smartphone.
Perfect 360 shots, amazing 4K video, stable time-lapse, and fully controlled distance group and individual shots can now be taken in style with Clicker. We believe that this is the biggest leap forward in history of connected smartphone devices.
Clicker boasts a fully detachable 16 megapixel rotatable camera with flash that connects with your phone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. I mean, this thing can really take some amazing HD photos and full 4K quality video. Two wirelessly controlled custom motors give Clicker its precise 360-degree pan and tilt movements for completely skillful distance shots. A designated battery and 16 gigs of internal memory make Clicker the smallest action camera on the market.
Clicker has built right into it a smart selfie stick, which provides for up to 2 feet of extension, so you get the right angles and distance necessary for capturing the best group and individual selfies. When detached and laid horizontally, it acts as a resting base for the camera, which provides complete wireless control over your shots for up to 10 feet. We call it the wand because it truly creates magic.
Every time I use it, I can't believe it's actually happening.
At only 6.9 millimeter thick, with a built-in 2400 milliamp battery, Clicker makes the thinnest battery case on the planet, which more than doubles your battery life. Another really cool thing that we've added is the magnetic charging system, which lets you charge your device without the worry of it getting all tangled up.
The other thing that we're really excited about is our very own photo and media app, which allows you to capture, share, and organize all from a single app, and we call it Capture.
We're introducing, for the first time ever, a zero-click share mechanism. Just tap on the picture and drag it to the folder you want, and it's shared. Drag and drop to organize your memories the same way. You can zoom in and out, control the pan and tilt from a distance of up to 10 feet, right from the same app. Panoramic, virtual reality, and 360 shots are stitched automatically for a truly vivid experience.
Capture has a built-in lock feature that lets you simply drag a photo into a password-secured folder for absolute privacy.
Clicker is completely modular. With a distinct charging port, the wand and the camera can be separately charged without the need of having the case or a phone. Simply put the camera on a motorized hub, connect the wand to the charger, and you have a separate camera system. This means 3 things. You can have the wand and the camera separately that connects with every smartphone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, the Clicker battery case, or the best of all, the full Clicker experience.
We've come a long way in making Clicker a complete hardware and software mix for a truly amazing photo-taking experience.
Now we need your support to get Clicker in everybody's hands, so you can capture every moment in its true honesty.